Do you get frustrated when you can't find your 25-piece precision screwdriver set? And you just can't wait to put together that awesome streaming PC? Well, never lose a tool again with this awesome, innovative Rustic Tool Cart. And wait, as a bonus, you'll get this handy shelf for your laptop, all for the low price of $79.99. Welcome to Projects. This week we're going to be working on a Rustic Cart. Now with this thing, you guys can use it as a wine cart, a microwave cart, and my personal favorite, a tool cart. Stay tuned. All right, if you're new to Projects, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you get the information when the videos come out. Before we get into the build, let's talk about the materials that we used. I used 1.5" and 3/4" inch plywood. The 3/4" inch plywood actually went on the bottom, so it gave me enough meat to screw my wheels into. 1/2 inch pretty much covers the rest of it. We also use butt end joints for this, so if you guys want to use things like dado joints and rabbet joints, then you can upgrade to those type of joints with a router or whatever. It will all be the same, you're just putting a little more work into it. That was a nice thing about this build. It keeps it really simple. If you guys want to keep it even more simple, download the plans in the description below for a couple bucks. But all in all, this was actually a pretty easy build. All right, so I'm sure you've heard enough of me. Let's get into the tutorial. All right, so you're done the staining now. All you gotta do is put your handles on. In this particular case, we used 1.5 inch threaded pipe from Home Depot. This is extremely popular with DIYers. You can pick it up pretty much anywhere, I'm sure. If you haven't seen this stuff yet, it comes in all sizes as well as tons of fittings. So it's not just for drawer handles. You can use it for door handles. I've used it for legs, as well as headphone racks for my headphones. So really cool product that you can use for pretty much anything in your DIY projects. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that bell icon if you want to see more projects like this. You can also check out these videos here for more great projects. We'll see you next time on Projects.